Okay, guys, let's get into this decadent creamy chicken wing and spinach bake. It is so satisfying, like it makes no sense. I was in heaven trying this dish. You can see it in this clip. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, here's how we do it. I'm just gonna clip the ends off of the wing. I like it better for that type of presentation. Then I season it up really well. Onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, Italian seasoning, and I go in with some olive oil to make sure that seasoning is really sticking to the meat. You can marinate this for up to an hour or overnight if you have the time. Then I like to sear it off in some grapeseed oil until beautifully brown on each side. While that's searing, I get my sauce together. It's some milk, some mushroom cream of mushroom soup actually, and then I mix it all up, season it up. And then once my chicken wings are nice and brown, I add it to the baking dish, right? Then I go ahead, make sure it's in a thin layer like this and not like overlapping. I go ahead and I saute my onions and mushrooms. Technically, you don't have to saute this part, but I just think it combines together when it's warm versus just like throwing everything in the casserole dish while everything's cold. So make sure you do this part, combine your onions, your garlic, and your mushroom sauce. And then once you do that and you bring it to like a nice little simmer, like should only take about 5 minutes to come to temperature. You're gonna continue to mix it all together, make sure everything is blended really well, make sure your flavors are together, and then you're gonna add some Parmesan cheese, right? I like to go in with a little acidity as well, so just a fresh squeeze of lemon. Then I pour all of that deliciousness over the chicken wings. Now, this part is really important. You want to make sure that you're getting it on the bottom, on the top, all over. So just use your spoon or your flat spatula like I have here. Get all that sauce out of the pan and then go ahead and kind of like smear it all over the chicken wings just like this. I'm gonna pop this in the oven, uncovered, middle rack for about an hour until it looks like this. The chicken wings are perfectly cooked. I mean, they're falling off the bone. They're so tender. The sauce is decadent, flavorful, creamy. This is perfectly served over like some mashed potatoes or white rice. Have your choice. I mean, whatever you serve it with, you're going to be happy because it really is the star of the show. You can choose to do this with any dark meat chicken piece, but I love the way the wings bring this dish together.